Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sherelle, and in this video we are going to explore our Resy Credit with American Express Platinum card, as this Resy feature was recently added, and I wanted to share some of my favorite locations in Philadelphia, restaurants that I'm going to be using this credit at, and hopefully you will enjoy those as well if you're in the Philadelphia area and looking for some great places to dine. If you don't have the Resy app downloaded on your phone, I would recommend doing that, as a lot of restaurants don't show up, so you do have to manually type them in. We went to Co-op Restaurant and Bar. This was our first time going to this restaurant, so I wanted to feature this on the channel and hopefully give you some options if you're in the Philadelphia area looking for some restaurants. I will say having the app is beneficial because, like I just said, a lot of the restaurants don't show up, so you can check it on the app to see if that's actually going to be beneficial for your credit, and this one was. We did go here for brunch hours, and it was a really great service, really amazing, and I will definitely be back for dinner because I do say the food was actually really good and it was affordable. This is an open concept restaurant with plenty of food options for different dietary restrictions. So I will have the direct link to this restaurant so you can look up the menu, but I did find a lot of options for myself that I could eat. Like I said, we did go to brunch, but they have a plethora of options that you can partake in. And if you've been to this restaurant before, please let me know in the comment section below, as I would love to hear from you. The first thing we ordered as appetizers were these biscuits. They came out, they're so huge. We actually only ate two, and then we had the last one that we just took with us, but they are so fluffy and flaky, and the butter and jam was really good with the biscuits. So I would say 10 out of 10 recommend getting the biscuits if you're ordering brunch. To go with the biscuits, I got some green tea. I really enjoy tea options. As you know, I don't drink coffee, so I always go for the tea options. They did have other options as well as black tea and jasmine, but I went with the green tea for this visit. For my main, I decided to go with the brioche French toast, which with berry compost on top, and it was really good. I actually could not finish this. I ended up taking it with me, and my sister got the study breakfast, which was also good. She added cheese on her eggs. This also, we end up taking half of that with us because it was a lot of food for us to get down, and I will say the portions are big, so they are shareable. So I would recommend sharing entrees or main meals if you wanted to. The main reason I do recommend downloading the app, so that way you can make sure you get all the benefits of getting that Resy credit. I checked this restaurant before making our reservation and it was on there, but I will definitely be back for dinner because I do like their dinner menu, and it's a nice open concept. It wasn't crowded, but I do recommend making reservations if you're going for dinner. The next restaurant I want to talk about is actually a block away. It's Lankmark Americana, and I've been here before too. It's in University City, and it's not far from Co-op Restaurant, and you can definitely walk to both. I tend to go here for takeout, especially on days when I don't feel like cooking. They have a lot of great fast food options. I tend to always go with the quesadilla and a salad, and it's really good. The customer service is great, and they're always fast with the food. Now, the one thing I do like about this restaurant is that you can order takeout. They use the Toasted app, so that way it does still trigger the credit for the Resy credit. So if you're looking to do that, just make sure it's not using any additional other apps because it may not trigger the credit, but it did for this restaurant. I would like to make this a series, as this Resy Credit is quarterly, so we will be getting more throughout the year. So let me know if you would like to see that series so I can share different restaurants in the Philadelphia area. If you enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel, like this video, and share it with a friend, as we do plan on sharing other options in the Philadelphia area that we hope you will enjoy your next time in Philadelphia.